Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Rifter in the GT line specification. So this car has a fantastic panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, there's sliding side doors with tinted rear windows, you also get rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter, and the car also features speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.